And then I have two valuable guests with me today. I have Brian, and then I
Hello,
have
everyone.
also a Muslim. Um, we're I'm gonna talk about them. I'm not gonna talk about them much. They will talk about themselves eventually. So Brian is actually here at TalentifyLAB, the coordinator of the instructional programs and also instructor. So Brian, I want to give you the floor, and after you, we will give the floor to Muslim, and I will actually let me talk about Muslim little bit. He is gonna be our program coordinator and instructor for AI and Python, AI with Python. He has so many years of experience in AI, and he's currently about to finish his PhD in information documents management. That's related to AI as well. So, but before me talking too much about him, I will give him the floor next. But Brian, the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about TalentifyLAB, and we have a lot of developers, a huge number of tech supports and customer supports that will be helping you and helping you during this journey. But I am general coordinator for the instructional programs. I would like to leave the speech to Mr. Muslim so that he can talk about himself, who is a doctor, and also who has written some books about AI. So let us talk about artificial intelligence, how it has a huge impact in today's world, and how we will be able to make use of his perfect lessons and other instructors during this journey. Some of them will be free for you, and this is a great chance actually to get knowledge about artificial intelligence and get into IT with AI. Mr. Muslim?
Thank you very much, Mr. Brian. It is an honor for me to be here with you. First of all, I would like to share my presentation, and then after that I can start it. Yeah, let me share it.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think you see my slides.
Yes, we are able to see.
Yeah, my sound is okay, right? My sound
Yes,
is clear.
it's perfect.
Okay,
Great.
Okay, thank you very much for your feedback. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our introduction. I have no idea how you are feeling, but I am very excited, super excited to be here with you. Anyway, I can handle it with your support. Please support me. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence together. We have prepared a very exciting and very interesting intro for you. Just a quick reminder, if I use AI instead of artificial intelligence during the presentation, please don't be surprised. It is the abbreviation of artificial intelligence. Today, please keep in mind, if you are interested in artificial intelligence and considering a move into this field or changing your career to AI, I will try to help you make the right choice. If you have any hesitations and doubts, I will do my best to resolve your concerns and convince you of the benefits of career in artificial intelligence. Okay, now I think it's time for me to introduce myself and my background. And also I want to thank Mr. Alkan for good sentences and Mr. Brian for good sentences about me. My name is Müslüm. I have been deeply involved in the field of artificial intelligence for almost 10 years now. My academic life is now just a few weeks away from completing my PhD in information and document management. My thesis, by the way, focuses on making it easier to access archive documents using AI models, incorporating technologies like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Throughout my career, I have had the privilege of teaching various AI topics, including deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, generative AI, and reinforcement learning at different platforms. I have also worked remotely for companies in Europe and the USA, serving as a deep learning and computer vision engineer, as well as a product owner. There, working with teams and mentoring interns on AI projects has been a great experience for me. Currently, I am also working on some academic projects that apply computer vision to healthcare, aiming to bring innovative solutions to real-world problems. And also, I am involved in machine learning and deep learning projects. In addition to my teaching and professional work, as Mr. Brian mentioned, I am the author of 2 books you see on the slides with my friends, actually available on Amazon. These books focus on generative AI and reinforcement learning, 2 of the most discussed topics in AI today. I am also excited to announce that 2 more books are on the way, which will cover the fundamentals of Python and artificial intelligence, aiming to help beginners establish a solid foundation in these critical fields. Please don't get me wrong. Please don't get me wrong. I mention all this not to show off myself, but to demonstrate my deep commitment and passion for artificial intelligence. I believe in the power of AI to transform lives and industries, and I am here to help you to gain the skills to be part of that change. Thank you for joining this introduction to our course. I hope to see all as participants, where I will have opportunity to guide and teach you through the fascinating world of AI. I look forward to sharing my knowledge and exploring this transformative field together with you. If you are ready, yeah, let's get started. Let's discover the amazing things you will learn in this course. As I mentioned, we have prepared very exciting, very surprising presentation for you. And I would like to start my presentation with a famous quote by Andrew Ng, who is a huge inspiration to me, actually. He says that AI is the new electricity. This saying is very popular in AI and shows how powerful AI, just like electricity, changed industries, homes, and daily life in 19th, 20th centuries. Artificial intelligence is expected to bring about a similar, maybe greater level of change in the 21st century. This quote really captures how AI is becoming a big part of lives, changing how we live, how we work, how we interact with the world around us. I hope you have noticed that our title is not data science. Normally, you see many titles related to artificial intelligence. They say data science, but we choose artificial intelligence. I would like to talk a bit about it. We used to talk about data science a lot in the past, but today the only thing everyone is talking about, as you know, that artificial intelligence. Maybe some of them you remember there was once a program called From 7 to 77 by Barış Manço. Really, he was a very famous singer, and I really admire him. Just like the name of that program, nowadays everyone from 7 to 77 is talking about artificial intelligence. Of course, we are aware that data science is big thing, but now AI is what is really taking the spotlight. As I mentioned before, yeah, please don't get me wrong. I don't want to downplay the data science. I am aware that data science is still essential. Without data, AI wouldn't mean. It doesn't make sense, you know that. But this shift or change, because AI has become a hot topic for everyone and everywhere. It's now discussed more wildly and deeply than ever before. I think most of the people are using ChatGPT, and large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini are making many of the tasks that data analysts do much easier. Because of this, we are seeing that data scientists, generative AI becoming more important. That's why our course is called Artificial Intelligence with Python. I want to make it clear that we will be focusing more on artificial intelligence side of things in this course. If you think AI is good choice for you, let's explore why diving into the field of artificial intelligence is great idea. Normally, in the past, we focused on the overwhelming rise of big data, prestigious job titles, and high salaries, and different career paths like becoming deep learning engineer, NLP engineer, machine learning engineer, computer vision engineer are still relevant, of course. Okay, but this time our approach and our perspective are different. We are thinking bigger. Now there is even more to consider because we are not just focusing on job titles and salaries anymore. We are considering the global impact and guidance from the leading institutions, MIT, Stanford, and McKinsey, because their extensive research and reports don't just highlight the technological advancements, but also the profound economic and social changes driven by AI. And after this brief information about our course aim and goal, now let's do amazing, surprising thing. I think we are ready to begin our journey. Let's start with the most exciting part. I am not sure if you have ever watched the movie Her before. It was a very popular movie, but I did it in 2014. When I watched it had a profound impact on me. I can say for those who haven't seen this movie, I firstly highly recommend watching the movie. But if you want me to summarize it in one sentence, I can say that this movie explores the emotional relationship between human and AI, artificial intelligence. It's a great movie to showcase what artificial intelligence can achieve. In the following years, actually, I used this movie. When I check the Zoom, I see my old students. It's a great honor for me, actually. Thank you very much for their participation. They know that I used this movie trailer at the beginning of my lessons, my NLP, natural language processing classes, to illustrate where AI could potentially go. And it always fascinated my students. Yet today, with the announcement of ChatGPT 4.0, by OpenAI, a few days ago, last week, we can say 2 weeks ago, they announced this large language model ChatGPT 4.0. This movie, Her movie, became the reality because in this technology, you can use this assistant ChatGPT 4.0 like her. In my opinion, the movie is a great example of that because what we imagine the first appears in the movies, then becomes reality, and Her is one of them. As I have mentioned at the beginning, you are in for an exciting and interesting intro. I have collected some AI-related movies for you. I don't know how many of the movies you have seen on the screen, but I can say that I have seen almost all of them. In some movies, AI is great, okay, human-friendly, but in others, it's horrible and could be the end of humanity. When we think about Transcendence, Terminator, Ex Machina, Chappie, and Westworld becoming real, it's easy to feel a bit anxious and worried. These movies show advanced AI and technology that can be both exciting and also scary. Hopefully, we will see more of the exciting side. Let's wait and see what the future holds. Developments in the field of artificial intelligence are happening so rapidly. To tell the truth, yeah, for me, I sometimes have difficulty keeping up with the new large language models and advancements. But based on my research, I will share the latest developments in artificial intelligence with you, and I want to really surprise you. And I will also ask you to consider what might happen in the very near future. If you have any interest in this field, I'm sure you know that OpenAI and Google are currently incredible race and competition in this field. First, I will show you something exciting from the Google's Sora, and then OpenAI, which is the owner of ChatGPT. Let's start with Google Sora. But in this video, you will see incredible technology. You imagine something and you just type it and write it. Then in a short while, your words would be a picture, even a movie. I think it's incredible. Let's see. If you haven't seen this movie before, this video before, I'm sure you are surprised, but I can give you a hint. In my opinion, in the near future, you give a novel to the computer and it turns out a movie and watch it. That sounds great, right? But I will try to convince you. And this is the second video. If this hasn't surprised you, I'm sure it will surprise you, because just a few days ago, OpenAI's ChatGPT 4o exceeded the limits of our imagination by advancing to the point where it can have a conversation with an animal. Let's watch this movie. This is so funny. This is the AI will speak to animal.
I want to introduce you to somebody.
Well, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
This is one of his favorite things to do.
Oh, well, I can see why. Look at that focus. Fetching balls is serious business for Bowser.
Yeah, can you imagine that? Artificial intelligence is speaking with an animal. Yeah, it was unimaginable a few days ago, but right now it is reality. But the last video,
I want to introduce you.
The last video, I will give you another example to surprise you more. For example, let's assume that you are bored at home. Everything is boring, and you need a game recommendation. You are with your wife and you want to play, and you need a virtual referee. Now let's see what artificial intelligence will do it.
Hey, I'm Alex.
And I'm Miana.
Hi, Alex and Miana. Nice to meet you both. How's it going?
It's pretty good. We're trying to figure out what should we play. Do you have any suggestions?
Absolutely. How about a classic game of rock, paper, scissors? It's quick, fun, and you don't need any.
Great. Can you count us in and sound like a sportscaster?
And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the ultimate showdown of the century. In this corner, we have the dynamic duo, Alex and Miana, ready to throw down in a
Okay,
fierce
just count us in.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, shoot. Now, show your hands. What did you pick?
Who won?
Would you look at that? It's a tie.
Okay, let's
that
do
was
it
a
again.
close- Round 2, here we go. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's see those hands.
Who won?
And it's another tie.
Okay,
You
let's
two
do
are-
it again.
All right, third time's a charm. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's see those picks.
Who won?
And we have a winner. Miana's scissors cut through Alex's paper. Great game, you two.
Pretty cool. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, you see that? If you know rock, paper, scissors play, yeah, this video would make you sense more. Yeah,
Hey,
today I'm here to talk about how artificial intelligence is changing the game. I will share you some insights from top institutions like MIT, Stanford, and McKinsey company. Because as I told you, as I mentioned, I will try to convince you to artificial intelligence. If this video didn't convince you, I will give you another proof. And this one, MIT, it will be MIT, Stanford, and McKinsey. Stanford recently, maybe 3 weeks ago, released a significant report on AI, over 500 pages long. It is too long, actually, because this is the first time Stanford published this 500 pages. Each showcasing remarkable advancement, particularly in modules like ChatGPT. They say AI can now outperform humans in tasks like understanding text and recognizing image. So it's clear that artificial intelligence is greater than us related to text and recognizing images. Okay. What McKinsey company says, McKinsey, I'm sure if you are in USA, you know this company. It's a very popular company, a consulting company. They estimate it could add around $4 trillion, $4 trillion bucks to the global economy. So this is very big pie, big cake. You can say that big cake. So if you are eager to eat this cake, I think you need to be in artificial intelligence. Okay, the last one, MIT says artificial intelligence changing the way we work. So by automating boring tasks, AI is not just changing the workflows, it is also shifting job roles. Those skilled in AI might end up taking over traditional jobs. So if you are satisfied with this information, we can jump to our concept, what we will give you with this concept. So I have shown you the latest advancements in the artificial intelligence and shared the insights and predictions from global industry leaders on this topic. If these compelling pieces of information have convinced you, you explore this field further. Let's talk about how we can assist you in this journey. Although we value our wife, children, and certain principles in life, there is no denying that time and money hold significant importance for many of us, because these resources often shape our decisions and priorities in our life. if you are not able to handle the intensity of live bootcamp courses, you can use this platform to learn in more fun and effective way with gamifying methods, which are type of interactive teaching methods. By the way, we will not leave you alone in this platform. Besides the weekly practical sessions, you will be in constant contact with the instructor who teaches the courses. After seeing this importance and future of artificial intelligence, let's talk about what provides you in this course. The Artificial Intelligence with Python course offers an extensive range on topics. You see on the slide, there are many topics from fundamentals of Python to advanced areas such as generative AI, machine learning, computer vision, CNN. It covers all of them. This course is not just about theory. Also, it's hands-on, providing practical experience with real-world applications. So, if you say that time and money is important for you, I think this platform is good for you. You see that, Python, machine learning, CNN, speech recognition. These artificial intelligence with Python covers all of them. Now, artificial intelligence with Python course is structured into two different modules. The previous one, it covers all, but this slides, it covers two different modules. One of them is the Python module, and the other one, artificial intelligence module. You have the flexibility to enroll in either module individually or take both sequentially, but to join artificial intelligence module, you need to know the basics of Python programming. This requirement ensures that all participants are well prepared to dive into AI concepts, because we will jump into machine learning and deep learning directly. So you are supposed to know Python before. The Python module is designed to equip you with the essential programming skills and understanding necessary to handle with AI challenges effectively. Once you have mastered Python, you can jump to artificial intelligence module, where you will explore cutting-edge AI technologies and applications. Choosing to participate in both modules will provide you with a comprehensive education in AI, from basic programming to complex AI algorithms, preparing you for a range of opportunities in IT industry. I can assure you that. For Python module is designed to take you from beginner to advanced Python proficiency. So we have carefully structured this module to start with the basics and gradually build your skills for handling more complex programming tasks. Once you have mastered Python's core concepts, we will move on the practical applications. This includes diving into essential libraries like NumPy, pandas for data manipulation and analysis. You will also explore the data visualization, learning how to effectively present data insights through visual presentation. If you are wondering why we learn to code, the answer is clear. You see, Steve Jobs' quote is very clear. Everyone should learn how to code. It teaches you how to think. So this highlights that coding is more than a skill. It fundamentally sharpens logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Therefore, mastering at least one programming language is crucial. So there are many advancements in the large language models that can understand codes, but as Steve Jobs mentioned, it helps you. It teaches you how to think. So I think we need to learn it. And why Python? There are many programming languages you might wonder why out of the hundreds of programming languages, you should choose to learn Python. Let me explain in brief. As I have mentioned, Python is often referred as the backbone of the artificial intelligence. Yeah, Python is the backbone of artificial intelligence, and Python and artificial intelligence they are very good combination. So yeah, if you are not convinced, still not convinced about the Python, you see, consider the evidence from the Google strength. Python constantly ranked as the most popular programming language. Its widespread adaptation and strong community support, it receives a clear indicators of its relevance and utility in today's technological landscape. By learning Python, you are not just picking up a programming language, you are gaining a tool that opens many doors in technology, especially in the fast-growing field of artificial intelligence. So if you want to continue with the AI, I think Python is the great tool for you. Okay, the last the last module, this one, module 2 of our course is all about artificial intelligence. It has a great mix of content to get you fully into the world of AI. Yeah, you can find a variety of important AI topics, including machine learning, CNN, speech recognition, NLP, generative AI, reinforcement learning, computer vision. Maybe some of you are not aware the name of these titles. I can give you a simple information about it to understand more. Yeah, this is artificial intelligence. This diagram illustrates how these technologies are interconnected. Machine learning lays the foundation, teaching computers to make decisions from data, and the other one, deep learning, a more complex subset of machine learning. It uses advanced neural networks that mimic the human brain, and the other one, most popular one, generative AI. Yeah, it covers ChatGPT inside it. We can create a new content such as text, images, or musics based on the data it has been trained. I compared generative AI to magician pulling a rabbit out of the hat. I mentioned this one in our books as well. So throughout this course, we will explore these fields together. By the way, if you decide to participate this course, yeah, you can get generative AI course free, also Python. So you are so lucky, you will get this generative AI freely. Yeah, it's about to finish, but in conclusion, large models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and the others one are growing like mushrooms since 2017, and they continue lead AI revolution. They are advancing quickly, becoming essential to our technology and daily lives. As we look ahead, these developments will keep transforming our world, bringing exciting new possibilities. Being part of these developments will definitely give you a significant advantage. You can be sure. I can guarantee you. I can assure you that. To avoid future regret, make today a milestone. Today is milestone, and seize the perfect opportunity to enter the field. And I would like to end my presentation with a point that almost everyone agrees on. Very soon, someone might take your job. Yeah, it's so popular. Someone might take your job, but it might not be artificial intelligence. It might not a robot itself, but rather people who know to use AI. Yeah. Today you have the chance to turn a new page in your life. Many who enter the field of artificial intelligence often regret, but not starting sooner. Yeah, not starting sooner. So I'm sure you will not regret it. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Remember, opportunity. Yeah, I like this quote, this saying. Remember, opportunity doesn't always knock twice, and the future is in your hands. Okay, And I will end my presentation with the powerful message from our poster. Every great achievement begins with the decision to try. If you are persistent, you will get it, I am sure. If you are consistent, you will keep it. So the last sentence would be, the future is in your hands. You can experience our platform and training with free generative AI and Python courses. If you are satisfied, okay, you can enroll, you can continue, you can join the world of artificial intelligence. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I don't want to say the others otherwise. And if you don't have any question, I would like to give the floor to Mr. Brian. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you have really
Thank you so
enjoyed.
much
You are
for this
welcome.
Great presentation.
Thank you. Yes, it was great presentation, and also we are excited to see your upcoming books as well.
Yes.
And also, it would be a great experience for our friends to make use of your free sessions, and also dive into deep learning with artificial intelligence with Python. It's going to be a great opportunity for our friends. While talking about artificial intelligence, why not talking about it within our program as well?
Exactly.
Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. First of all, I would like to just go over them. Dear friends, as our friends also mentioned, AI is coming and knocking at doors, and we have great opportunities for the future if we also keep ourselves into development field. As TalentifyLAB, we have a hybrid bootcamp, which is going to bring you a lot of changes. It is a modern bootcamp type, which will help you with less time. You're going to waste no time just with interruptions of other students, but you'll be able to just give your full focus on your skills, on developing your skills, and you will be comparing yourself without any stress with your progress. You're going to have like AI tracking system, gamification components, leaderboard, playground, and CV builder. Everything you need to prepare well for the market demands, you will get them from our system. And our instructors will have all their time just reserved for you. This means that like 30 hours of sessions, 30 hours of preparation sessions will not be just bothering you. You're going to be just taking all the time of the instructor specifically reserved for you. So let us talk about this AI platform, and also like we are using AI in the platform at several parts. In CV Builder, AI-based tracking. Also, we have interview preparing system that will be also working with AI. So let us talk what is going to be the benefits of this system. Everybody, you're not going to have only recordings, you will have specific recordings. Let's say that you are joining live sessions where you end up with student disruptions. You're going to have some repeated classes all the time. This is not going to happen anymore. Instead of having like 3-hour session, you're going to end up having just 40 minutes, which is going to be to the point. You will learn it, then you will practice, you will learn all the necessary skills based on the coding challenges, based on the concept skills. You will be learning them, and then you will keep going with your upcoming sessions. Once you learn the major topics, you're going to be just, you will have a dependency between classes. You will not jump onto the next topics. You will just learn first what is needed. Then you will jump onto the next subjects one by one. This is how the system will allow you to proceed. If you are not done with your class, if you are not done with your first subjects, you cannot move to the next process. So in our system, I'm going to talk about how tracking is working. Like every week, we will just send you like how many code challenges you made, how many recordings you watched, how many knowledge library problems you solved, how many questions like multiple answer, single answer, true, false questions you have resolved. All of them will be reported every week to you. And also based on your monthly progress, you will get the reports as well. We, as instructors, as coordinators, we will be following up with you. We will do every week live sessions to do more practice, extra practice, and you will have the time to ask your questions to your instructor. Along with this, you will have hands-on projects, real-time projects, live with your instructor. During this journey, your instructor will be reserving all their time to your achievement. So everybody, that will be also another benefit of this system. You will be able to get help from mentors. Who are those mentors? You will have multiple options for to take a pack of mentors. We have our partner Zero to Hero. We will have different perspectives from the mentors, and also they will just help you during these challenges. They will have also career coaches for you so that we can prepare you for the future career. During this process, everybody, you will not be given your mentor. You will be selecting based on your skills, based on your location. You will be able to select your own mentor yourself. So this is going to be a huge plus, and we will talk about them within the system as well. So everybody, challenging questions. If you are learning about a subject, this means that you need to also make some practices related to this subject. You are learning a subject, you are not doing any practice. In the upcoming subjects, you will lose yourself. You're not going to be able to, like, I did learn about something like this, but I don't remember it. So instead of like missing those points, you will be doing your practice with the real-time challenges, questions, and coding challenges. So that will be perfect system that will allow you to proceed well, learning well, and practicing well what you learned. So our motivation, everybody, instant feedbacks you will get, and we are going to be also following up with you whether you are in a good mood, you have like a good progress this week, but in the next week you are not proceeding well. So we are going to follow up with you. Your instructors, your live sessions will be there, and you're going to be able to ask any questions you have to your instructors. Everybody, in this system, as you can see, there is a leaderboard on the right side, and you'll be able to see like different questions. Based on the questions, you will be able to like get points. In this system, when you learn a subject, you watch the recording, you earn points. When you do some questions, you resolve them, you earn points. When you do some knowledge library related to soft skills, you earn points. When you do code challenges, you learn points. And AI tracking system will be just reporting you what your progress is based on this week. So this way, you're going to keep it short, and you're going to be learning fast, and you will be achieving your goals sooner in the IT industry. So everybody, this is the knowledge library. You're going to be practicing some soft skills, some algorithmic thinking. So this is going to be a huge support on your level of success, and also to prepare well in the professional work environment. Everybody, when it comes to code challenges, you can see that we have exercises. You will have specific code challenges based on Java or Python or JavaScript, Salesforce, whichever program you are taking. You will be able to do the necessary coding practices so that what you learn is actually consistent on your knowledge. You keep it in mind. So this is the reason why we're going to give you every opportunity. We will just help you to develop your personal skills in the area you selected. CV Builder is another AI system, everybody. We are helping you with the technology and with the experts. So you will be able to prepare your own CV using our CV Builder system. And then based on your CV, your career goals, your expert will help you to motivate you and to start applying for job opportunities based on your location. So this is going to be another huge advantage you will have during this system. Another one is interview preparations, dear friends. During this journey, we will just you will select your own program. You're going to select whatever company you are working for or you are aiming for. Let's say that I would like to work in health domain. you will select in here, you're going to be selecting your program, and then you will be selecting your system. This auto-generated system will give you as if you are responding to the questions. It will give you the question options based on the question topic. Let's say I'm selecting tell me about yourself. It will give me a tell me about yourself using my skills, using my knowledge in health domain. It will help me. It will say, hey, I am blah, blah developer, Python developer with blah, blah skills, with blah, blah project, using blah, blah tools. It will give you a specific tell me about yourself, unique to you. And also you'll be able to use this one. You will be able to hear the pronunciation from the experts, and then you will start listening yourself. You will just try to practice yourself, like, how can I practice? Tell me about yourself. How can I practice my skills, technical skills, and soft skills using this system? It will help you to find whatever domain you want. It can be health domain, it can be financial domain. You know, these are like huge companies. There are huge companies in the United States and all over the world, either related to financial domains like mortgage companies, banks, etc. There will be also e-commerce platforms. So you can select your own platform, and based on this platform, you can prepare your interview skills, which you aim in at the end of the market, dear friends. So this is a huge platform. Now, I would like to just briefly talk about what is this platform like. You can come and enroll in this platform, and based on your skills, you can get the first courses. They will be all free to you. You can just start using the platform, dear friends. So you have the courses, you can see the courses, you can just select your own program and courses. Like, there are different courses, and also there are different programs. If you take a full program, this means, for example, Mr. Muslim talked about a Python developer program, which is going to be on the 20th of June, which will start. So in this program, if you sign up in our system, then we will display the program details. You will start with free courses for a generative AI. And this is going to be a huge plus for you to dive and just start with your career approaches, everybody. So if you log into the system, what happens? You can come either select your program if you are enrolled in any program, or you can just select the courses as well. If you navigate to any program, you will see a table board like this. For example, I have selected here Java development program. You can see the active course currently, and you will see upcoming courses. And also there is a roadmap image here, which will allow you to see all the tools and technologies, programming languages you will learn along this program. So everybody, without completing this lesson, this topic, I cannot move to the next topics. As you can see, they are locked for me. I cannot move to the next because it will be a confusion for me. If I don't know the area, if I try to learn from like one topic to another, if I miss the order, it will be a problem for me. This is the reason why when you get into this lesson, first, you will be able to watch your recording related to this lesson. Here is your recording. You have a detailed description, and then you have questions. Like, there is single answer, multiple answer, true, false questions. You will see a long range of questions that will that will allow you to make enough practices related to this specific topic. So you are learning about this program. Unless you are done with the recording, if you are not done with the recording, you cannot move to the next topic. Once you are done with the recording, on the right top corner, you will see your highlighted points that you earn watching the recording. If you come to an exercise, let's say it's saying which HTML tag is used to set the title of a web page. Let's select title, you validate it, you will see the config is moving on, and on the right top corner, you can see your new score is registered here. So this is the gamified platform, everybody. You come all the way down. Let's say that I close this part. If I come and I do any knowledge library, if I can just finish reading some knowledge library skills, I'm completing them. Again, I'll be able to earn new points based on this. Good job, I got new points. When you come to your board, you'll be able to see that you earn your own points and you have new points now on your leaderboard. So this is how gamification works. And along with this, if you go to any class, you'll be able to see all the way bottom to the left, you will see your PDF that has been shared by your instructor. So based on this PDF, you can reach out to your PDFs. You will reach out to your instructors if you have any questions. As you can see, I am now done with this exercise. Is it possible to come back and to see what exercises I have done with? And can I rewatch the recordings? Can I redo the exercises? Definitely you can come and you can redo your exercises, everybody. So this is the way you will first complete your first course, then you will move on to the next course. Once you feel the level of expert, this means that you are done with the whole program. And now if you are taking Python developer program, now you are a professional in artificial intelligence, and now you can start your career in any domain. Then you will start building your resume. Other than this, there is also a playground here. You can click on the playground. Very soon you will see in the playground new section where you will be able to practice your interview skills as well. So if you go to playground in Python or Java, or let's say that it is Apex, you'll be able to take code challenges. As you can see, there is a question in the code challenge, and based on this question, they will give me 4 different inputs, and I need to successfully get them done, and all these 4 different values should be successfully operated. So when you come here, you can try your own, or you can just get from the system some help if you are getting stuck, or ask your instructors why we are doing this way, etc. You can submit your solution. You will see that on your leaderboard, again, this will reflect. As you can see, there are conferees moving around, and you will get your new points. And there are 4 different inputs, and they are all showing up here. If you go back to your platform again, you will see that those questions also are reflected on your leaderboard points. So everybody, an exciting journey for you waits here, just in the development part. On the 20th of June, you will see also Python generative AI as free. You'll be able to enroll for this program. Before this, you can enroll our system, and you can make use of any programming languages, any full stack program here. You can just start with their free sessions. But I would recommend you to take Python developer program, which is going to start on 20th of June, and it will change your life. The way you are thinking, the way you are thinking about your future plans. Even you go to the streets, as Mr. Muslim mentioned about it, the way your logics are changing now, it means that like lights are turning on, turning off, but how are they planned? How are they programmed to work this way? So your way of thinking will completely change. And also this is going to help you to earn a lot of money in this industry, because you know the salary ranges, the demand for this huge demand for this huge industry, it always increases, everybody. I have talked to somebody recently, and they told me that the consultant told us that if you are taking Python and you are learning about artificial intelligence, currently, even if you don't know anything, but you are taking them, this means that there are a lot of job opportunities. They will just forcibly, they will just take you into the IT area. They will just give you the job offer. So this is the reason why it is really important to take the first steps into IT. If you want to start with Python development, it is the future of the world, and we have already seen many examples based on this. So I would like to leave the speech to Mr. Alkan to end up. Dear friends, we are going to have questions. If you have any questions, we will have a specific session again later, before 20th of June, where you can place your questions. We can just make it a general discussion, and then you can ask your questions. You can talk about your concerns. You'll be able to interrogate about it. So thank you for your time, and be ready. We are teaching AI. Of course, we are using technology to support you with everything, and very low prices will surprise you, because less effort, but more dedication, more results on your future is just waiting for you. I hope you will be also part of our journey, everybody. Mr. Muslim, would you like to say anything else?
No, thank you very much. I think it was very productive introduction. I hope all the participants would attend our course, and I would like to guide them, instruct new things, or especially on artificial intelligence. I would be very happy. I would be very pleased. Thank you very much.
Thank you as well. It was an amazing introduction about artificial intelligence as well. And the way we are thinking now, like we can structure some codings as well using artificial intelligence support. So you have mentioned about different platforms which are just competing currently. But of course, within this competition, many other companies, they are trying to compete with them, and they need artificial intelligence experts. So we would like to see our friends ending up with expert level in this leaderboard, hopefully, to shape their career, to get amazing achievement in their future life as well. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Mr. Muslim. What I want to say as the last thing, and I want to thank you both for your great presentations. It's awesome. And as you all said, it's unavoidable without AI. Like AI is a part of our lives right now. We can't unavoid it. So, but it's still at the beginning stage. So I really encourage everyone, all the participants here, to get started with an AI program. And our platform is amazing for that. That's all I can guarantee. So don't miss it while it is early with AI. It's still at the beginning stage. Once you get involved, you won't regret. There will be many opportunities for you in the job market. And as also Brian said, I mean, even if you are just learning AI, everybody is just learning AI. Like they're trying to learn, they're all at the beginning stage. So when you start now, you will be lucky one, and you will get you will be in the market with very high pays, and like everybody willing to pay you much money. So it's a great market, and I really encourage everyone, and don't be late for that, while our also prices so low. So thank you so much for joining again. Brian, thank you so much for your great information and presentation. Mr. Muslim, thank you so much for your awesome presentation and illuminating us about AI industry and how it is being used. We appreciate everyone, and I wish everyone a wonderful Saturday. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Also, please be sure about it that we will help you with hands-on projects, real-time projects, and we will take you from zero. We don't require any IT background, no worries about it. We will take you where you will become a professional, and in the market also, we will follow up with you until you get job offer, until you start your career. And then if you have still any questions or concerns, we will be following up with you till the end of your journey, because we are going to build this community together. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend. See you on our upcoming sessions and for our discussions for this program as well. Thank you.
And please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day. Bye.